Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Lilo and Stitch. Well, just the Lilo part. I'm working on Stitch, alright? But you're just going to see that we don't need VIP for this, so that's fun. For the hair, I'm just going to go to the straight hair first, and I'm just going to color everything black. Then for the other part, I just used the masculine hair, this one. Colored it black, and I just kind of scaled it down a bit like that, and I like positioned it here. Then for the headpiece, I just use this one. You can use whichever flower crown you want, and I just colored it this green. Then for the top, I just use this in this color, 892B02. And then make sure you have saved your skin color. I just use this one in short. Color it your skin color and then color it that green. I did make that a little bit darker. And for this skirt, I did use the yellow skirt, but you can use any skirt you want. You can basically design it however you want, of course. Whoops. Oh, I didn't even copy and paste it properly. And that is it. It is as simple as that. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.